guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm printing. I'm still working on the Christmas thing from last year from Debbie at Ink and Page. Debbie from Ink and Page. Anyway, it's a work in progress. I'm still working on it. I'm printing a bunch of stuff right now. But I got a new toy. Finally came in the mail. It's a, what do you call these things? A tripod, but it moves to your face, see, so I can be hands-free and not have to move you guys around. It's got a very big footprint though. The base of it is very large, so but you can move it to another smaller tripod. I'm sure I haven't figured it all out yet, but today I'm going to clean my craft room while stuff's being printed. Debbie from Ink and Page, phenomenal. I'll link her below if I remember. Otherwise, she's linked on my previous channels in the description. My previous video from yesterday or the day before or whenever, in the description. She does a lot of freebies. She shows you a lot of stuff, but she gives you a lot of printables, a lot. So you have lots of options. I love it. I use my, follow me, Brother Scan and Cut right here to do my printing. A lot of my printing, my like fussy cutting, but a lot of her stuff is, well, for this particular one, is they're light. They're very light, and George, as I call him, doesn't see the light, so it cuts them kind of funky. Like this, for instance, kind of got cut a little funky. A few things get cut funky. It shows you in the preview before it cuts what it'll look like. I just happened to miss a few of them. No big deal. Anyway, I love my Brother Scan and Cut. I don't know why this is backwards. I don't like that. Hold on. That's not backwards, but why is that reading backwards? Maybe when you look at it, it won't be backwards. I don't know. So I'm going to clean. My floor is a mess. Come here, come with me. Let's see if this thing works. Look, it works. The desk over here, move over there. It's a mess. My desk is a mess. Oh, sorry. I didn't like that I touched him like that. You follow me down? Oh, this is all a mess. I have empty boxes back here that I need to figure out if I'm keeping or saving. I've been hoarding a lot of boxes. So printing's happening over here. It won't come over any farther. Printing's happening. Ooh, it doesn't like it when I touch it. I have lots to do. So if you guys want to hang out with me while I do this, great. Otherwise, oh no, I still have to work on, I haven't done this yet. I know I said I was going to this weekend, but I just haven't been motivated enough to do it. And last night, I got stuck watching some drama, like a crafting page, which I don't watch resin crafting at all, ever. I'm not into it. It's not my thing. But it popped up on my feed and I started watching it, and it was like an hour and 30 minutes or so of this girl explaining drama that was going on between her and another YouTuber in the resin community. And it was like a jealousy thing, and the police got involved, or getting involved. She called the police. They got lawyers involved now. She's got to get a restraining order. Big, huge mess. Well, I was sitting here crafting last night, watching it, eating popcorn, listening to the tea. I don't wish it on anybody. It's actually a very terrible situation for everybody involved. We only got the one girl's side of things, but she had a lot of evidence. She had emails, text messages, recorded telephone conversations, because apparently in Texas you can record telephone conversations. So kind of did prove that the other girl was not the nicest, like a mean girl kind of situation. It does seem like she's a little bit jealous of the other girl's success. I don't know. I don't know the other girl's side of the story, but I was watching that last night instead of doing this, which is what I should have been doing, but I didn't. Hopefully today, it's early still. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I am going to clean this up because I feel like I'm getting suffocated. I have oil in my hair. It's Sunday. I oil up my hair on Sundays for conditioning. So I keep it in until dinner time, and then I take a shower and wash it out. So that's what I'm doing today. Hope you guys are doing well. Do you want to do this with me, or should I just catch up with you after I'm done? Maybe I'll do that. I'll catch up with you after I'm done. All right, boy. All right, guys, we're making some progress, but I wanted to show you my mess. This is all white scraps that I don't want to throw away because I'll use them for something. More white scraps. Some are bigger than others. I think I need to go through. Oh, there's trash in here. Get back. I have to go through all this. All white scraps. There's some neutrals in here too. That's that. Under here, come down with me, I have storage. It's got my vinyl sticker paper in it and all. My ink for my printer. Thought I had more vinyl sticker paper to put in here. Somewhere. I don't know where it is now. I got a mess. This is jam-packed. Full of projects that I don't have the names of them tied to it. So if you're going to do this, I recommend you attach the names to the projects because I have no clue what they are. This thing's jam-packed. I was surprised I could get it shut. This usually sits in front of here, which I'm going to move it so I can have access to that. Follow me. Come. Why are you not coming? Come follow me. Okay. This has little bits and bobs that I have to go through. Can you see me okay? I got my cardboard all straightened out. I got rid of some of it, but I have stashed enough to what I need. If I run out, then I'll start collecting again. This is a little project. This is Joey Cardmaker's butterfly project. It's a work in progress. Another project. A little project of Joey's. No idea. However, it's all together. I must have liked it, cut it out, and never did anything with it. Another project. I believe this is a passport project. Another project that, I don't know if it's a project so much or just freebies that I cut out, that I printed out. This is a project I was working on my own in Canva. Hopefully doing something with that little pirate theme situation that I'm hoping to do a junk journal on and then maybe sell the pages on Etsy. Who knows? This is a cluster of a bunch of just random papers that I have for projects, I'm sure. I don't know, I didn't label anything, so I don't know what's for what. These are the hanging file folders. I have no filing cabinet to hang them in, but eventually I think I want to use these for something. This is another project I was doing, a junk journal. Making my own, and then again I together and then maybe sell it on Etsy. Here, oh, an entire project that I printed out. No idea what it is, and I never got to it. And then another project that I printed out. Some of these are my own that I added to it, but I never did it. So I have all these projects that I printed out that I need to stop printing stuff out, because unless I'm going to do the project. I see that now. I know that now. But, alright, my bad. My bad. So I don't know where to put this stuff is my problem, because I'm out of space. Totally out of space. So I just have them all stashed up. Joey's I do plan on finishing completely. I am working on the Winter Wonderland project with Debbie from Ink and Page. I'm still doing that. I just printed out a whole bunch of stuff and cut it out. I am not doing everything at once, printing all Crafty Friend Wanda. I was just talking to her. She prints everything out at once. She's very organized, and she'll stack them up according to days. I get too overwhelmed. There's taco. There's that taco. I get too overwhelmed, and I get confused. So I have to go through this. I definitely have to go through this. I need to condense it. I need to go through these. And these are some finished clusters. I kept calling them widgets. I don't know why I keep calling them widgets. Some finished widgets, clusters. And then here's some more bits and bobs for that stuff. So all this stuff, I could probably sit downstairs tonight after I get my shower and get myself together for work tomorrow and go through all that. Here's some beads I made, paper beads that are just going to sit here. I don't know what to put them. Empty boxes. This is my gauze, dirty gauze that I made in like stuff that I could just grab and put for embellishments or whatever. I want to keep this next to me. Oh, here's the paper I was looking for. Vinyl sticker paper, which I knew I had, Wanda. I knew I had some. I found it. Stickers I made. It's like for the cluster stuff. Random paper. Alright, so that's going ouch in there. And then here is neutrals and whites. I have to go through all this stuff. And then my floor. And then, what are you thinking, Taco? Taco's like, yay, I can walk in here. And that's it. I'm going to vacuum my floor. My desk is a mess. Are you still following me? It stopped following me. I have to clean my desk up. I cut out a whole bunch of this stuff, so I'm going to cut these up and make them for widgets. Not widgets. Clusters. Is that a bad word? That's it. That's where I'm at. So, alrighty then. Subscribe. I think I'm done cleaning other than vacuuming and then straightening up my desk. I will take care of this. Yeah, it's not following me anymore. I will take care of that later. I don't feel like doing it now. Okay, bye.